Moving on then to ethics. Ethics will come up in question 2 of section A. It won't be all of the question, but will come up there, and it'll be some form of ethical implications of accounting issues. So, what are these ethical issues? That's kind of the way you answer these questions. First of all, you look to see, well, what is the ethical issue? And it's often just the incorrect accounting, isn't it? They're doing something wrong, and what will happen will be a breach of your ethical principles. So remember your auditing knowledge, where your ethical principles are integrity, objectivity, professional competence, confidentiality, professional behaviour. Okay. Knowledge, not so important really about ethics, it's all about applying it. So you're looking for incorrect accounting, you're looking at poor professional behaviour, poor competence, poor integrity, and you're also looking, are there any related parties? Because that often has some ethical influence as well. So that's the first bit then, we identify the ethical issue. The next thing we have to do in the question is we have to take action ourselves. What would that action be? Well, try and really put yourself in the scenario. What would you really do? I'd probably seek advice. I'd probably potentially resign, but only as a last resort. I might report it to the authorities or the auditors, but only after discussing with the person who's got it wrong, etc. You know, try and keep it real common sense. So we've identified the ethical issue. We've looked at the sort of actions that we can take. And now the final thing we do is we say, right, now I need to look at the impact on stakeholders. All right, and the stakeholders could be the board, the investors, the employees, whoever it might be. So 3 steps on an ethics question. Identify the issue. Think of accounting treatments. Think of the principles. Think of related parties. Then think of, right, what action should I take and what is the impact of these ethics on all of your stakeholders?